I can't take it no more.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Chris.
And I'm Nika, and
this
this is
CandN
CandN
Family.
Family. So guys, today's video is going to be the kids' reaction to our new puppy, Midnight.
Medianoche. Whoa.
Okay.
Anyways, the kids were so excited,
They
guys.
were really, really excited. They've never had a puppy before.
We have plenty of fish.
Yeah, we've actually had some pretty horrible stories with the fish, so.
We'll leave those for another day.
Yeah. But they wanted a puppy for a really long time.
We've been trying to get one, so we finally decided why not.
Yeah, to go ahead and do it.
It was a great reaction.
Yeah, the reaction to the puppy, like you're gonna hear them screaming and hollering.
But don't worry, guys. There was no kids or kids' feelings
were
harmed
harmed in the making of this video, or puppies.
Right.
That's just, our kids are like us. They're really animated.
Loud.
Yeah. So they're just really, really excited. So keep that in mind as you watch. And I guess without further ado,
here is the kids' reaction to
Midnight. This is our new puppy. Midnight, come say hey. Hey, come say hey. Come say hey. Say hello, everybody. You see? Come say hey. Come say hey. Okay, guys, so the time has come. The kids are back. My parents brought the kids. I'm so nervous. I mean, I'm not nervous. I'm just like so excited. That's what I'm excited for them to see. And this is what Mr. Midnight is doing right now. What are you doing? What are you doing? You playing with your toys? Okay. All right. We're going to let them come in and just see what they have.
What's the surprise?
Daddy got him. Daddy
It's a
told
new
him.
puppy! You got a new puppy!
CJ, you want to take your coat off?
Touch him. Listen, he's trying to smell you.
Hi, Daddy.
I can't take it no more. CJ's.
He will let you just touch him. He's just excited to see you.
It's okay. It's okay,
Hey, Keith.
Midnight.
Yeah.
Midnight.
Come on, rub him.
Midnight.
He's not going to rub him.
Midnight.
Rub him.
Yes.
It's midnight.
Come on, put him down so he can run.
Where'd she go?
That's him communicating. He's bark. He's not.
He said, "Now chase me." And he has all his toys. reaction to their new puppy Midnight. As you guys can see,
that's their baby now, guys.
that is their baby. They love Midnight. We love Midnight. We are really enjoying having a new puppy. Even though, don't get me wrong, it is a lot of work. It is like having a fourth child.
Yeah, he's alive. He's spoiled already. No.
I don't know what it is. I be spoiling. I don't know how it happens, but it just does. So
Anytime you look at him, he under somebody's feet while she's sitting doing some work or whatever she's doing. He's under her feet just. And then I look on the couch the other day, and she's laying with him on the couch.
yeah, I love him.
Anyway, guys, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like,
Share,
subscribe,
comment.
comment down below. Let us know if you had puppies, if you surprised anybody with puppies, just got a new puppy.
And we're potty training him. So any potty training tips or tricks or hints, all in
Please,
between,
please.
we'll take it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.
We'll see you guys next time
On CandN
Family.
and Family. Bye.